I'm glad I didn't quit. When I tell you guys that the life I live now, the types of tasks that I get to do to make the money online that I make now is literally the dream, or at least the beginning of the dream, I'm not lying. I mean, making money online has been something that I have wanted to do since I was a little boy. And now I am just able to sit in this gaming chair. I get to edit, I get to post TikToks, I get to post YouTube videos and talk about things that I think are very important to me. And people actually listen now. I feel that I've been able to build a really nice personal brand, and I hope that it only goes up from here. I really want to be a multi-millionaire. I don't want to even stop there. I would love to keep going even once I get to that point. I know the type of person that I am. I know that I am very much so the type of person to not be content just because I reached a specific number. It's a feeling that I'm after, a feeling of comfort, a feeling of true happiness and fulfillment. And that's something that's going to take a while for me to get, and it's something that's going to take a while for you to get as well. I wanted to make this video as sort of a motivation to those who have been working hard, and as sort of a warning to those who haven't been working hard. Time and the world do not wait for you to be ready, for you to get back on track. Time and the world are going to keep going at the same fast pace. So always remind yourself, like, hey, I'm doing this work for a reason, and I'm doing it for more than just myself. Keep in mind who you're doing it for, why you're doing it for them, what are your actual goals, and you will find the motivation you need to keep working consistently. It's that simple. There were plenty of nights where I would just be sitting here editing for hours on end, maybe working on Shopify stores, maybe coming up with video ideas that I could start recording the next day. And I was doing all that just to get 0 views, just to get $0, 0 sessions, 0 add to carts. And I didn't realize that I wasn't doing that for no reason. I was doing that for a very serious reason, so that I could be able to sit in this chair with a bonnet on and make hundreds of dollars in a dark room. This is something that I wanted to get on camera because I'm actively sitting here brainstorming my next videos and editing the next videos that I have that I've already got the footage for. But I also want to use this as practice because I want to continue growing in my craft, right? I want you guys to be able to consume the best videos possible on this channel. And so I'm trying to get better at just recording. Even if I feel like I have nothing to really say, I mean, I always have something to say, right? So I might as well get it on camera. Okay, even if it's not something that's super duper productive, this video is meant to be motivation. It's meant to be inspiration. Okay, I don't want this channel to just be cooped up with, a specific task every single time. I want to be able to make these videos right here where they're very interpersonal. I get to talk to you guys as if you're in this room with me, and I get to reflect with you guys. I want all of us to be able to reflect together because it's hard, man. It's hard working for something and you're not even sure where you'll end up 5 years from now. I mean, blood, sweat, and tears is an understatement. But I didn't stop, and neither should you. Keep going. Get that video out for today. Work on those websites, work on that Shopify store, whatever it may be. Optimize those ads and go for a walk. I mean, if you want to be a YouTuber, record yourself going for a walk. Don't just feel the need to not post because you feel like there's nothing important or entertaining going on in your life. People would love to see you just sit here and talk, or show them, hey, this is the favorite route I like to take when I take my walks every other day, right? So that's the kind of YouTuber that I want to be, and that's the kind of YouTuber that I think you all can be as long as you just keep reminding yourself to keep going. Be consistent, be hungry. Don't get too comfortable to where you're just like, you know, I made my first $100, so let's just slow it down now. You know, I made it to 100,000 subs, so let's just stop pushing the content out. You know, no, keep going. The more results you get, the more motivated you should feel. Like, wow, I just got 10 subscribers last week. I should keep putting out videos. People are liking them, right? And I want this video to be an experiment as well, you know, because either way, if this video gets 10,000 likes or if it gets 1 like, I know that I'm not going to stop posting because of it. It's either I get 10,000 likes on the video and it makes me post 20 times more, or I get 1 like on the video, so I watch it 10,000 more times and figure out what could have been better, so that next time I post, it's something that is just pure gold. So that is really up to you guys, whether this video turns out to be that 10,000 liked video or that 1 liked video. So please hit that like button. But I'm very excited to be able to have the setup that I need, have the editing that I need, and introduce you guys to me and show you my journey. I quit my job last year, and here I am a full year later, still going hard on all my side hustles, still seeing some success. Okay, I love it. I mean, earlier today I had received a sale. I didn't even have my ads running in my kitchen appliance business, and I made $155 profit. When I was working a job, $150 was 10 hours of work. Literally 10 hours of work. I was making $15 an hour. I would make $150 with 10 hours of work. I made this $150 sitting in my room recording TikToks, and it just came out of nowhere, right? And somebody ordered $150 profit worth of items on my store. So I say all that to say, keep going, guys. Don't give up. If you're here to learn with me, or you just want to track my progress, if you're here because you need somebody else to motivate you because you know you're not that self-disciplined, and that's okay, most of us aren't in the beginning, this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you like the rest of the videos that I put out and go check them out, because a lot of them are super valuable, whether they're educational or if they're just motivational. They can really help you out. I'm glad that I didn't quit, and I hope you don't either. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'm gonna catch y'all in that next video.